Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a company where you can sign up and get a profile, which it's all free, on their website, and if you're selected, you get a goodie box filled with samples. You could also follow them on social media to try to win a box as well, and I'll have all the information linked below in the description box. All they ask is that you review the products once you get the box. So super simple. There's always a really good variety of items in here. So let's see what we got this month. Zolli. These are Caramelz, that clean teeth candy. They're sugar-free, gluten-free, vegetarian. We got these before and they were like gummies. We didn't try the caramel ones, but this is dark chocolate caramel. And the kids really like them. They taste good. Very cool. Then we have After Bite for kids. Gentle on sensitive skin. This is an itch relieving cream for mosquitoes, biting flies, ants, or fire ants, and bees. Very cool. Can definitely use that too. Then we have Crunchsters Beyond Bacon. These are also gluten-free, 7 grams of protein, non-GMO, and vegan and nut-free. Kind of see a little sneak peek little window there. Seems interesting. And then we have some plant-based tomato jerky, Sriracha flavor. I've had these before, but I don't know that they were Sriracha. I don't remember them being hot, but it's pretty cool. It's got a pack of that. Next up, some CBD cooling formula. So I also did receive some of this too, but it wasn't a cooling kind. It was really good lotion though, so I'm excited to have this. Very awesome. And we have something that's wrapped all nicely because it's glass. This is Crown Maple Syrup, Bourbon aged, barrel aged, limited edition. Cool. Love that. That sounds fun. And then we have some collagen powder, Beauty Elements. It's a dietary supplement. You probably add it to like water. Let's see if it says on here. Dissolve 1 scoop in any beverage, coffee, juice, or smoothie. Stir and blend and drink. Awesome. Pretty good box so far. This is all stuff I would use. Then we have Sprayology Everyday Multi. This is a multi-nutrient vitamin support. Huh. So it's a vitamin in a spray form. This is citrus berry flavor. And this is a 1-1 supply when taken how it's directed. I have never heard of a vitamin spray. So that has A, D, E, K, thiamine, lots of stuff. Huh. There's another one here. Let's see if this is different. This one is a peach mango flavor. This is called Everyday Sunshine. So this is vitamin D3, which I do take a supplement for that, and that's all this is. It's just vitamin D. So yeah, that's cool. Definitely use that. Most people are vitamin D deprived unless you live somewhere where it's warm all year round and you're outside constantly, which is not where I live. And then at the very bottom we have some handouts. Sometimes there's coupons in here. So here's one. That's the company that does the collagen. Ooh, here's all different types of the Zolli candies, which are sugar-free, and a 20% off code and free shipping when you buy 6 or more. They have a good variety too. Nut-free, wheat-free, fat-free, keto too. Very cool. Here's one for Sprayology. Looks like this might unfold into a whole little pamphlet here. Yeah, very cool. Talks all about it. Stress relief, questions about how long should you use the formula for you notice changes. That's so cool. I like that it's flavored too. Can't wait to try that. And then an advertisement for the Crunchers and a coupon with that as well. So that's what I got this month. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend joining. It's free, and I will have all the information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.